I'm Don Reeve and I run the Carriage Cleaning team here at the East Lancashire Railway. We work on Tuesdays at Bury Bolton Street and we clean coaches inside and out. My team's here already this morning. We've completed the internal cleaning one set of 6 coaches. My outside team has just set up with a new hose pipe which delayed them slightly, so they use TFR brushes, buckets, and they'll be hosing off shortly. The inside team do the seats, tables, sweep the floors, mop, do all the glasswork as well, and they're well on so far this morning. We also work at weekends because we run trains on consecutive days, and on special events we also work. In the summer we trains run Wednesday to Sunday, so that means every morning some of us will come down and clean. And on Santa specials, that's a lot of work and a lot of involvement, and I have a big team of people. We work hard, we all get on well and look after the coaches that the public need to travel in and take pleasure from.